Has artificial intelligence changed the pace of product development? You're an interesting case in that on the one end, it's sort of the, I don't know, Klarna's the world where they're like, oh, we'll build everything internally, like, payroll could be imagined that way. On the other hand, it can accelerate your growth. How are you seeing sort of artificial intelligence, the ability to build faster, impacting Gusto today?
I mean, there's so many threads. I think a lot of folks here are technologists. I'll have to just choose. Like on productivity and how we build, we have 1,000-person plus R&D team. I don't think we're that different than most software companies in that it's obviously driving pretty meaningful shift in how we build, the iteration speed. I think we're going to talk later about there's the service as a software as a service. Everyone gets SaaS. A lot of what we do is taking stuff that involves compliance, involves manual filings, and digitizing it into software. In the past, I said we use paperless cloud mobile. Now, obviously, AI is a key ingredient to that. But that's on the more internal how we build side.
All right, does it mean fewer engineers, just to put a fine line on it?
Given the scope of our ambition, it means the amount of work we can do per Gusty grows dramatically. But probably in the grand scheme of things, it means less hiring than if AI didn't exist. But we're also pretty ambitious, so we're doing a lot of hiring anyways, but it's because we want to go solve more pain point. For us, AI is enabling products to exist in a small business category that never existed. I think in mid-market enterprise, you're navigating more of this complexity of displacing jobs, but our due north is to grow the small business economy. And so we want to bring all of the things big companies have had historically to a small company. The only way we're going to do that with a ratio that makes sense and with a scalability that makes sense is through leveraging technology.